Well, our situation is similar to other countries, is that the housing prices have been rising. And in fact, they have risen like 25% in the past 12 months. What we have been quite focused on is to keep the leverage down. And we try to target the debt to income, which is now about 150%. And we have been quite focused on keeping down this ratio, because it was at a 250 prior to the financial crisis in 2008. But otherwise, the way inflation is measured in Iceland, housing prices, they feed directly into the estimate, because it's the opportunity cost of housing. So inflation in Iceland is now 8.8, but without the housing price, it's around 6%, for example. So that, and this fact places the housing market in a special focus for the Central Bank of Iceland. No, I mean we implement a whole range of measures concerning leverage ratios, which we have restricted, burden of payment ratios. People cannot take interest-only loans. We have people cannot take loans in foreign currency. We have all kinds of limits, and the banks also have constraints. I think that probably the banks in Iceland have the biggest capital ratios in Europe. They have a capital ratio equity, in the neighborhood of 25% of the total assets. So we tried in many ways to contain the market.
To prevent 2008?
Well, yeah, that's a part of it. But at the same time, our population is growing very rapidly. And also, we have a lot of workers coming from abroad. So there is a lack of supply. And now actually a housing shortage in our country. And that places a pressure on prices also. Well, we hope that the combination of these borrower-based measures, the combination of these measures with our interest rate hikes, our policy rate is now 4.75%. So we hope that the combination of these measures and our policy rate hike will basically stop the housing market. And in fact, that is our main goal now in order to get inflation down. And we hope that we will see an increased supply after like 1 or 2 years. So in our view, we just have to slow demand temporarily to wait for the housing supply. But these are measures that affect people directly. Of course, they are not very popular. People have to pay more. People cannot buy houses. So that they will never be popular. Thank you.